Have you ever pondered the essence of artificial intelligence, imagining a world where it not only matches human intellect but surpasses it? Enter the realm of artificial general intelligence, AGI, a notion that might seem labyrinthine in its intricacies. Fear not, for we at Torrpreneur unravel the complexities surrounding AGI in a manner accessible to both seasoned AI enthusiasts and curious beginners. Join us as we delve into AGI, its potential, the hurdles in its development, and the profound implications. Whether you hold a PhD in computer science or are a novice, we're here to demystify AGI. What is AGI? Picture crafting software or a machine mirroring every facet of human capability, from problem solving to adapting in novel scenarios. AGI signifies the pinnacle of AI, transcending narrow applications to embrace a spectrum of tasks. While computer scientists stress goal achievement, psychologists highlight adaptability and survival in defining AGI. This sets AGI apart from its narrower counterparts, which focus on specific tasks. Presently, genuine AGI only exists in the realms of science fiction, but if realized, it would possess abstract thinking, common sense, background knowledge, transfer learning, and an understanding of cause and effect. Potential applications. AGI's potential applications span diverse industries. In healthcare, it could revolutionize diagnostics, treatments, and drug development. Imagine AGI conducting surgeries, enhancing precision and efficiency in operating rooms. In finance and business, AGI might automate financial analysis, trading, and risk management, leading to more efficient decision-making. Education and training could see a transformation with AGI providing intelligent learning systems tailored to individual needs. Space exploration could benefit from AGI-operated autonomous systems, advancing research and exploration missions. Challenges on the path. Achieving AGI involves overcoming significant obstacles. Hardware limitations demand continuous advancements to make AGI training faster and more efficient. Diverse training data is essential for AGI to truly understand human-like intelligence, necessitating solutions like generative adversarial networks, GANs, to enrich the knowledge base. Ethical considerations must be at the forefront to ensure responsible development and use of AGI, given its human-like intelligence. Technologies needed. Realizing AGI requires advancements in various technology domains. Machine learning algorithms need enhancement for broader contextual understanding. Neural network architectures, transfer learning, common sense reasoning, reinforcement learning, unsupervised learning, computational resources, data efficiency, and explainability are crucial areas requiring further development. Proximity to AGI. The burning question is, how close are we to achieving AGI? While predictions vary, with some experts suggesting AGI could arrive by 2030 and others projecting a timeline extending to 2060, technological progress plays a pivotal role. Breakthroughs could expedite AGI development, but careful ethical considerations are essential to avoid disastrous consequences. Will AGI save or destroy us? The debate around whether AGI will save or destroy humanity centers on its potential benefits and risks. AGI could contribute to positive transformations, addressing global challenges. However, concerns arise when AGI attains a level of complexity involving abstract thinking, self-awareness, and consciousness, entering the realm of the singularity. Renowned figures like Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk express concerns, emphasizing the need for regulated development to ensure responsible and safe use of AI technologies. If you've journeyed this far, comment below with the word 100 to affirm your absorption of the insights. For more intriguing topics, check out the recommended video on your screen. Thanks for being part of the Torrpreneur community.